What's up, everybody? Tina here. In this video, we are going to show you how you can use the floating text elements in contracts and documents. Hover over to payments on the left, then documents and contracts at the top, and select templates. Then you got to upload your template or you create a new document. In this case, we upload our PDF. And this is our sample contract. So on the top left-hand side, you see the plus button. Click on that and you see at the bottom the fillable fields marked in blue as well. So we have signature, we have text field, and we have the date. The very cool thing, what is also new, is that you can use custom values now. So let me show you how to do that. You can just drag and drop the date. Over here, where's the date? Then we want to drag and drop a text field. Over here, where's the company name? And then we want to drag and drop the signature under signature. Now, the fields are obviously too big, so we can also adjust them according to any size we wish and drag and drop it like that. The date field seems to be fine. So you can either click and drag and drop, or you can click on the element and then hit shift and the arrow down or up in order to move those fields more precisely. This takes a long time, so if you want to speed this up, you can also hit shift control and then you see the fields move a lot faster up and down. You also see a menu here. If you hover over each of those elements, you can copy an element or you can delete it, or here you can add a custom value. So let's copy one. Let's hit shift and let's move it down to the name and title. On the right-hand side, you can also see that we can fill in a different placeholder. So here we could type in name or your name, right? And then here we could say company name. Always make it required, as you don't want them to accidentally forgot to fill out a field. So in case they forgot to fill out the field, the system will tell them, hey, error, you still need to fill out this field. And that way you will have all the data, which avoids an endless back and forth. Any of those fields have custom properties over here. The date, for example, has also the format, which you could select. We just keep it at year, month, and date. Available dates, any or past date or future dates. And then we can also assign somebody who's already in your contacts to be signing this contract. Then you add the name as a primary client at the top left as well. So now you can hover over this field and you can see the name popping up of the person who's supposed to sign right here. So this comes in very handy if you have several people signing the contract, like a manager and the boss, and then also you or maybe your wife or whatever, right? Then you can just duplicate, move it, and then you can assign it to whoever else should be signing this, okay? And then if you hover over this name tag here, you can also see my name popping up here. If you hover over it, see, Tina shows up here. So that's really cool as well, because now it has been assigned to the contact which you have attached to the signature. So we can also add the custom values right here. You hover over the field, then the last icon in this pop-up menu, this little gray pop-up menu here, you click on custom values. And then you can also select the contacts right here. Let's say full name. And then you can see here the custom values popping up. I hope you liked this video. Now you can go ahead and cancel your DocuSign, PandaSign, whatever else, other subscriptions, and just use contracts and documents within this system. I will see you in the next video.